How to set up your Wispr Flow on iPhone. So firstly, open your App Store and we're gonna download the Wispr Flow. So simply click on search for Wispr Flow, and there should be this app. Click on it and click on get. Once it's downloaded, open it. And now simply click on get started. Here you can choose which of these do you resonate with. I just want to chat with AI faster, so I'm gonna click that and click on next. Here you can see some preview. Again, click on next and click set up flow. Now you have to set up your email. So I prefer to use my Google account at the top, but you can also use your email at the bottom or continue with Apple or with Microsoft. If you click on continue with email, here you enter your email address and you will get some email confirmation to your mail address. But for now, I'm gonna choose continue with Google because I already have my account. Also, if you want 1 month for free, you can register with my link in this video description. I will get 1 month for you and you will get 1 month for free in Wispr Flow after you dictate at least 2000 words. So now I clicked my Google account, click on setup, and you will have to allow some permissions. So go to your settings. Here it's gonna open settings. Down here you can see steps, click on keyboards, turn on Wispr Flow and allow full access and allow keyboards, using keyboards. You can go back to your Wispr Flow, try flow. You can continue, make sure that the microphone is allowed, click here to allow. And now if you press here in the left down corner area, you can choose Wispr Flow. Now you have to tap the mic to start speaking. Now say anything you want and press this. So it was that easy. Now go next. Hey team, are you available on Friday at 3 p.m, actually 4 p.m? And as you can see, it's gonna format and fix mistakes. And you can also whisper with flow. Now it wants from you to whisper to test it out, but I'm gonna skip this. And you can continue. You don't have to allow this, so I'm gonna ask app not to track. Here you can select your default style. And you can also allow notifications if you want to. And we should be all set up. Start following, you don't have to. And this is your profile. So now it should be finished. Here in the right upper corner area, you can always turn it off or turn it on. And the dictation will appear in your keyboard so you can use it on your iPhone. So it was that simple. If you have any questions, make sure to comment. Make sure to use that link in the video description to get 1 month for free. And make sure to subscribe. See you next time.